This is so annoying when LEDs are supposed to last much longer than regular bulbs. Remove all the inside of your light fixture, including the original LED. You will need to buy a light socket to replace the LEDs. This can be purchased from Amazon.com. Click the link below to find this product. Attach the light socket as shown and add a light bulb. If you need dimmable capabilities, add a dimmable light bulb and it will still dim as before. Flip the unit and add the screws back as shown. Replace the fixture globe to ensure it will fit over the light bulb. You will have to temporarily remove the globe again in order to properly tie the unit back into the electrical fixture. Important disclaimer: please consult with an electrician if you are not experienced in this area. It works. Now you can put the globe back on and tighten everything appropriately. Congratulations!